If you want to win any lottery in this world, then you must focus on the combination or pattern of the numbers. In Mega Millions, these are some previous latest result of Mega Millions draw. In this lottery, total series are 7. From 1 to 9, from 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, and last one is 60 to 70. But if you want to win a jackpot prize in any lottery, especially in Mega Millions or Powerball, you should select only 4 series out of 7. How? Let's see. These are some previous results of Mega Millions. In this draw, you can see no number came from 1 to 9, no number came from 10 to 19, 2 numbers came from 20 to 29, 1 number came from 30 to 39. Again, they skipped 2 series 40 to 49 and 50 to 59, and 2 numbers came from 60 to 70. 2 to 1. The pattern was came 2 to 1 only in 3 series. They skip 3 series from 1 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29. Again they skip more 1, 2, 3, 4. In next draw, again they skip 3 series 1, 2 and 3. 40 to 49, 50 to 59 and 60 to 70. Again they skip more than 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that same 1, 2, 3. Again 3 they skipped. In next, again 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see 3, they skip 3, again 3, again 3. Now it's turn in the next upcoming draw, which is drawing on 14th February 2023. They will skip according to this routine 3 series. According to my research, for this draw, 1 to 9, 20 to 29 and 50 to 59. They will skip these series and these series will come from 10 to 19, 30 to 39, 40 to 49 and 60 to 70. You should select your numbers for this draw in these series. If you want I make the numbers for you, then you should take the membership with me. I will give you my powerful numbers for the every draw till you are winning. This is my WhatsApp number.